Your portfolio just rebalanced. The AI did it while you slept. Financial advisors spend years earning qualifications, building client trust, and mastering the art of turning complex financial markets into clear, personalized plans for real people. But artificial intelligence is now managing portfolios, generating investment strategies, running risk assessments, and giving personalized financial guidance at a fraction of the cost. So, is financial advising on borrowed time? And what does this mean for the advisor sitting across from a client today? Let's start with what AI is already doing in the world of financial advice. Robo-advisors, platforms like Betterment, Nutmeg, and Wealthfront are already managing billions of pounds in client assets using AI-driven portfolio management, automatic rebalancing, and tax loss harvesting. They charge a fraction of what human advisors charge, and they never make emotional decisions. AI-powered financial planning tools are generating comprehensive, personalized financial plans covering retirement projections, tax optimization, mortgage strategies, and investment allocation in minutes, using thousands of data points that human advisors would take days to analyze. Machine learning algorithms are running real-time risk assessments, detecting fraud, flagging unusual account activity, and stress-testing portfolios against market scenarios faster and more accurately than any human analyst. Natural language AI tools are now answering complex client questions about pensions, ISAs, inheritance tax, and investment options, providing detailed, regulation-aware guidance around the clock, without an appointment. AI compliance tools are automatically reviewing financial advice documents, checking regulatory obligations, and generating audit trails, work that once consumed entire compliance teams in financial services firms. And predictive AI models are analyzing market sentiment, geopolitical signals, earnings data, and economic indicators to generate investment recommendations, outperforming many active human fund managers over the long term. But here is where the human financial advisor remains absolutely irreplaceable. Financial advice is fundamentally about trust. When a client is deciding whether to sell their house to fund retirement, protect their family after a terminal diagnosis, or navigate divorce and inheritance, they are not looking for an algorithm. They need a human being who understands their fears, their values, and their life. Complex financial planning, business succession, multigenerational wealth transfer, offshore structuring, divorce settlements, and blended family estates requires nuanced human judgment, relationship management, and ethical reasoning that AI cannot replicate. Behavioral coaching is one of the most valuable services a financial advisor provides. Research consistently shows that the biggest threat to investment returns is the client themselves, panic selling during downturns, chasing high-risk returns, making emotional decisions. A skilled advisor talks clients off the ledge. An algorithm cannot. Regulatory accountability and fiduciary responsibility are still firmly human obligations. A financial advisor is legally and ethically responsible for the advice they give. AI tools are aids, not licensed advisors. And financial advisors who master AI using robo-advisory platforms to handle routine portfolio management, AI analytics to build richer financial plans, and automated compliance tools to free up time will serve more clients, at higher quality, than ever before. So, will financial advisors be obsolete by 2030? The reality is this: the most transactional, product-driven, and commoditized financial advice, basic ISA recommendations, standard pension contributions, simple investment portfolios is already being automated. This is unavoidable, and it will accelerate. However, the demand for genuinely personalized, relationship-based, complex financial planning is growing, driven by aging populations, increasing personal wealth, pension complexity, and growing financial anxiety across all demographics. Deloitte research projects that while AI will automate up to 40% of routine financial advisory tasks by 2030, demand for high-complexity, high-trust financial planning will grow substantially, particularly among high-net-worth individuals, business owners, and retirees. Financial advisors who build expertise in estate planning, business financial strategy, ethical and sustainable investing, tax-efficient wealth transfer, and AI-augmented financial planning will be among the highest-earning professionals in financial services by 2030. The ones most at risk are those selling commoditized products, avoiding technology, and failing to develop the deep client relationships and complex planning expertise that no algorithm can replace. By 2030, the financial advice industry will be divided in two. AI handles the routine. Human advisors handle the complex, the emotional, and the irreplaceable. AI is not replacing the financial advisor. It is handing them the most powerful client service tool they have ever had. The future of financial advice is not human or machine. It is human with machine.